Speed and efficiency, two of the most important things when it comes to quick turnarounds on repairs. Laser Tools understands that sometimes traditional tools can be time-consuming. There must be a quicker way. That's why we've developed the pull-back rapid action ratchet. This ratchet redefines speed and effectiveness wherever you would use a conventional ratchet handle. The 3/8 inch drive spins more than 360 degrees with a simple pump of the patented pull-back grip. Using the tool couldn't be easier. Simply attach your socket or driver, then secure onto the fastener that needs to be removed. This is a dual action tool. Loosen off the fastener in the conventional way by turning the handle, then operate the pull-back grip and be amazed how quickly the fastener spins off. Repetitive fastener removal times are now cut in half. To change direction, simply push the drive post through. Reattach your driver and start tightening. The tool is so versatile when it comes to car maintenance. Take this long threaded exhaust clamp for example. Attach, pull back, and the job is done. The tool also comes in a longer 350mm version with exactly the same features. The additional length allows access to difficult places. The same actions apply. Loosen the screw, pull the grip, remove with ease. The Laser Tools Pullback Rapid Action Ratchets. Available now from your Laser Tools stockist.